Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in creative and fun products. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting DIY craft kits out there, the Briwooody 30-set Apple Core Craft Kit for kids. If you're looking for the best Apple craft for a fall project, classroom activity, or just a fun family session at home, this is definitely the one to check out. Inside the kit, you get 30 complete Apple Core craft sets. Each kit is designed with 6 unique styles and measures about 4.3 by 6.3 inches, making it perfect for children to enjoy. The kit includes 150 wooden sticks, magnets, double-sided tape, and everything else needed to bring these adorable Apple Core magnets to life. It's the kind of project that not only fuels creativity but also teaches kids about the beauty of the harvest season and apples. Crafted from high-quality coated paper and sturdy wood, these materials are built to last. The stickers are vibrant and designed to stay intact over time, which means these crafts can be enjoyed for years to come. The wooden sticks are durable enough to withstand any kid's creativity, and the magnets make it easy to stick these Apple cores on refrigerators, lockers, or any other metallic surface. It's a perfect combination of fun and function. This kit is specially designed to be a fall-themed craft activity. Imagine your kids getting to work on these Apple Core magnets, each featuring cute designs like red apples, green apples, and even adorable little worms. It's a wonderful way for kids to connect with nature and learn about how apples grow. It's perfect for classroom activities, especially before a trip to the apple orchard, or as part of a fall party at home. Not only does it stimulate creativity, but it also provides an opportunity for you to bond with your children while making something special. The DIY approach allows children to explore their imagination as they create their Apple Core magnets from scratch, and parents can enjoy the process right alongside them. In terms of versatility, the Briwooody Apple Core Craft Kit is ideal for a variety of occasions, from classroom projects and family craft sessions to home parties. Whether you're decorating your home for the fall season or just looking for a fun and educational activity, this craft kit has got you covered. If you want a creative, easy, and fun craft kit that appeals to kids and sparks their imagination, the Briwooody Apple Core Craft Kit is the best Apple craft you can get. Let your kids dive into the world of DIY crafts and watch as they create something they'll be proud to show off. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video where we explore more amazing products for you and your family.